What you're looking at is the original tailpipes out of my 3000 GT. Look at that. They are dirty. Well, why buying new ones when I can actually restore these? And that's what I'm going to do on this next video. I'm going to let them soak overnight using this OxyClean and this water here. Okay, and that's, yeah, so I'm not going to work on them, just leave them, let them soak overnight. So tomorrow I will go ahead and start brushing them. Hello guys, we are 3 days later, and I have worked on just one as a sample, and you see how clean it is compared to this one here. It's very dirty. So here's what I did so far. I used this scrubber, I don't know its real name, and then I use grits, different level, but not too rough. This one, I believe this is a 220, and this one might be a little bit too rough. That's 180. I'm not gonna use it, but I'm using this. And then that's 800 grits. But in addition, I have this wire brush I use to reach in the those little corners I cannot get to. Okay, so basically, when I'm done, I'm not going to paint it, but I will just apply a clear coat. To put it on the floor and then to have a counter force. Oops, people are coming back from church. That's okay. That's okay.
No, because Philip started screaming.
No, I said that's okay. Hi, George.
Hi, Daddy. You're looking at the car too? Did you
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. I slowly cleaned it.
Oh, you're what, Sandy?
Miss Sheila said to say hi.
Why?
Mary's wife.
Oh, okay.
Because she said, look, I need to tell you need to come to church. Because usually you always are sitting in the pew. So when she gets out of Bible study, she knows where to sit because she sits in front of us. So she said she was looking for your head to know where to sit, and you weren't there.
Yep, the only black man at the church wasn't there.
No, there was a black man. That man who comes with his the uncle. So the nieces with the nieces.
I'm trying to have different cuts. You look at that. That's number 2, and that's the first one I did off camera, and this is this one. You see? So basically, I'm going to do the other 2 off camera, and then I will show all 4 of them together. That's pretty much the cleaning process, and later I will go ahead and sand them with a 800 grit, and then apply clear coat, not chrome, just clear coat. I finished scrubbing them, and you can see they look great. So what I'm going to do now is I have a 800 grit. If I had 1,000, 2,000, that would have been better, but that's all I have right now. So I'm going to file them to remove the rough cut, okay? And then after that, dry them and then apply clear coat. Alright, look at that. I cleaned them, sand them, and then rinse them, dried. So now I'm ready to apply clear coat. We'll do 3 layers.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through